Hello, good evenings to all. Here I am going to share the real IELTS exam feedback as one of my students has appeared in the same exam, that is 30th Jan 2021 here in Bathinda evening batch. So as I predicted, our prediction matched exactly. Like the task 1 was pie chart and task 2 was discuss both views. So in task 1, the question was like the pie chart shows the percentage of employees and owners who were working part-time, full-time and long hours. And actually I was unable to draw the same, but if I will be able to, I will be drawing the same picture in comment section. So coming towards writing task 2, it was like some people think that children should be taught at school to recycle materials and avoid waste. Other people believe that children should be taught this at home. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So it was very easy question. It was related to environment like materials, recycling. So now listening part. Listening and reading was very easy as per my student. He was like it was really easy and he's very confident that he's going to score really good. So the further description was part 1 was based upon blanks and these were 3 words blanks. Then part 2 there was map and matching the information. Then part 3, as we know, MCQs, and part 4 1 word blanks. So last is reading. So in reading it was like the passage 1 was true, false, not given and question answers. Simple question answers, 3 word question answer, 3 not more than 3 words or a number. Then passage 2 was headings, summary, matching writer's name. And then last passage, that is passage 3, it was headings again, then blanks and summary. So this was all about today's exam, and I hope the students who have appeared in it, they may have done very good job. So all the very best to all the students for the results. Subscribe for latest updates because soon I am going to make videos related to speaking, like particular new topics based upon new ideas. So subscribe and share. Thank you. All the very best.